Hello guys, what is up? Welcome to another tutorial video, and in this video the topic is how to buy houses in Monopoly Go. Now you cannot actually directly buy those houses, however you do get them by building up your structures, by getting money, using that money to upgrade your structures, and then by upgrading them you will get houses as a reward. Now, let me just demonstrate it quickly. As you can see, the houses are these little green things in these on the board, and for each house you have on a field, you will then earn more money. If you actually land on these red houses, those are hotels. You have other rewards that you will get by actually landing on those. However, enough about that. Let me show you how you can actually get more houses. As you can see in the bottom left of our screen, there is this build tab, which we do want to click to access our structures. These structures are important for advancing to different boards. You need to build them and then upgrade them, which will further upgrade your net worth, and by upgrading your net worth, you will further unlock new rewards and new boards which you can play, allowing you to get more money. However, if you actually upgrade these buildings or build these buildings, what you will get are houses. Now, sadly, I do not have the money to actually build or actually upgrade one of my structures. However, you'll have to take my word for it. If I were to upgrade any one of these structures, the top right corner, you can see the house counter. For each upgrade, I would get a few houses or maybe just one house. And then once I get back to this screen, those houses will automatically be placed, and then they will increase the bonuses of money I get from the fields on my board. That has been it. This has been really simple, as you can see for yourself. I hope I made some things clear for you, and I hope you found this video enjoyable. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see other tutorials, and I will see you guys in another video.